ang pananaw o mindset ay may malalim na epekto sa kung paano natin kinakayang harapin ang iba't ibang hamon at aspeto ng buhay. Dahil ang pagkakaroon ng positive mindset ay nagbubukas ng pinto sa maraming oportunidad at tagumpay.
Kaya naman, para pag-usapan ang mindset positivity, ay makausap po natin ngayong umaga ang isang businesswoman na si Bernadette Jimenez Ipana. Good morning po and welcome sa Rise and Shine Pilipinas.
Good morning.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Rise and Shine Pilipinas.
Yan, ma'am, para maturuan yung ating mga kababayan na medyo laging negative, ano po ba yung mga paraan para mapanatili ang positive mindset sa kabila ng mga hamon sa buhay?
Okay. Ang una talaga, no, you have to accept. Dapat accept mo kung ano yung sitwasyon mo. Acceptance is the key. Dapat mag-umpisa yon kung paano mo tinanggap, no? Paano mo tanggap yung sitwasyon mo ngayon. Now, you have to focus more on the things that you can control. Dapat kung ano yung mga bagay na pwedeng mo i-control, pwede mong kontrolin, dapat nandun ka. At yung mga bagay na hindi mo makontrol, you have to let it go. So, yun ang pinaka-importante. The most important thing is you have to prioritize the relationship. So, alam natin, family is very important. We need people. We have to be surrounded with good people. We have to be surrounded with supportive people para naman po makausad tayo. Di po ba? So, yun ang pinaka-key sa lahat. And we have to practice relaxation. No, the body and mind relaxation. That is very important para magkaroon tayo ng focus sa sarili natin.
Alright, they say kasi sometimes na it's not just about success, it's all about significance in life. And one of the significance in life is to be happy. Diba? So,
Yes.
Considering positive mindset, paano ito nakatulong sa success at significance na isang tao?
Okay. When we speak of positive mindset kasi, isipin natin lahat ng bagay nag-uumpisa kung paano natin dinadala yung sarili natin. Kung paano natin kontrolin yung mga bagay na dapat natin makontrol. Ngayon, we have to start it within ourselves. Ano ba ang gusto natin mangyari sa sarili natin? Lahat naman ng bagay, no, meron naman talaga tayong mga challenges in a way. Because life is a journey. So, pipili ka kung anong klaseng life ang i-create mo. And life is full of choices. That is why you should not complicate things. You have to simplify it so that you can focus to the things that you want to achieve. And that's basically success. So, nauuna yon sa sarili mo. So, you have to have this so-called inner peace. Yun ang pinaka-importante. Dapat meron kang inner peace. Because yung inner peace, yun ang paghuhugutan mo towards your success.
Okay, Ma'am Bernadette, ito yung usual na nararanasan ng pangkaraniwang tao. Tao lamang po tayo. Minsan napipikon din po tayo, minsan nai-stress din tayo, minsan nagagalit din tayo. May mga araw, may mga pagkakataon na talagang hindi maiiwasan na may mga negatibong tao rin tayong na-encounter o problema o sitwasyon na negatibo. Paano ba dapat to i-handle? Kasi hindi naman isang snap lang magbabago na kagad yung mood mo eh. So, paano natin i-handle kapag may mga negative events, negative people sa paligid po natin sa isang sitwasyon?
Okay. I just want to relate this dun sa aking experience during the time of pandemic. Meron ho akong mga negosyo and specifically I have this restaurant business and we know for a fact na yung restaurant business that time is wala talaga. As in, isa or never na meron pumasok sa restaurant ko. But I hold on to the idea na in the midst of adversity, there is always an opportunity. Yun ang aking mindset that time because I want to hold my employees. Kaya nga sabi ko, kung ano yung pwede ko pang ibigay, ibibigay ko. Because I want to really live a life with a purpose. Yun basically, napakahirap hindi ko talaga maintindihan yung sitwasyon na yon during the time of pandemic because that time I have a construction, no? Nag-construct ako ng business ko, another business ko, which is another coffee shop and a bar. Imagine mo in the midst of pandemic, nagko-construct ako and everybody is telling me, Badit, you have to remain liquid because this is the time of pandemic. Why are you wasting your money constructing a business na wala namang business? Yun talaga ang sinasabi nila. And you know, that time, parang gusto ko maniwala. But I insist to the idea na in the midst of adversity, there is always an opportunity. And I'm searching for that opportunity. And the good thing about it, yung medyo parang, nasa middle na tayo ng pandemic na hindi na masyado stricto, you know that I am the first bar in Davao who opens the door to those people na walang trabaho, especially those yung mga bakla na walang trabaho, no? Because I want to give into the entertainment. So nagbukas ako ng bar entertainment, even it's liquor ban. Nagbukas ako because I want to bring in happiness to the people. I want them to smile. I want them to be happy because I know for a fact that we need it. Kailangan natin yun. And along that way, there is positive response. And everybody is telling me, Badit, ikaw yung nauna. And it was really an income to me, no, during that time. Kaya sabi ko, you just have to have a strong faith in yourself. Because this so-called positive attitude, this will increase your faith, no, in your abilities so that you can have to think about the brighter future. And basically, ito yung nangyari. This is really my personal experience.
Okay, so ano naman mga tips, Bernadette, ang nais mong i-share sa ating mga ka-RSP para sa mga taong nahihirapan na magkaroon ng positive mindset sa gitna ng stress?
Okay. You have to really stand firm. You have to stand firm. You have to put God at the center of everything. Because I do believe that lahat po ng mga bagay o lahat po ng hindi maganda or magandang sitwasyon na nangyayari sa buhay natin, it's all about how you praise and worship God. How you put God at the center of it. Because doon po tayo dapat tuhugot ng lakas. And the most important thing, every time we wake up in the morning, we have to ask ourselves, saan ba tayo kanino ba tayo bumabangon? No? Para kanino ba tayo bumabangon? Para kanino ba na dapat na dapat gawin natin kung anong pwede nating gawin ngayong araw na ito? Because yung success kasi hindi siya everyday eh. Dapat everyday may ginagawa ka, no? So you have to focus on the things that you can do today. What you can do on the following day. Then if there is a negative situation during that time, you have to think of a solution so that you can create this what we call good life. So when we speak of good life, it's all about beautiful abundance. Beautiful abundance in a way, how you live your life with a purpose. Kaya sinasabi natin, when we speak of positivity, it always brings you to success. And that is what we call beautiful abundance.
Ayun,
Daming tips, no?
Kaya
So when
nga
we speak
eh,
of beautiful,
Yes.
salamat sa mga tips na yan dahil marami sa ating mga kababayan nangangailangan talaga ng mga gabay para mapabuti yung kanilang
Kailangan
buhay.
GV lagi.
Yan.
Oo.
Thank you very much sa pagbibigay po ng kaalaman sa amin kung paano magkaroon ng positive mindset sa buhay. Ma'am Bernadette Jimenez Ipanag, again, maraming salamat po at stay positive.